welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lisa Gift. Welcome back returning subscribers and welcome my new subscribers. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you get notified anytime I post a new video. So this video I'll be talking about the oil I use once every 2 days. This oil I use it once every 2 days on my hair because I like the smell. I can stand the smell. Yeah, I can stand the smell and it's easy to use for me. Mind you, this oil is DIY. Even the other one I use on Saturdays, they are all DIY, do it yourself. They are easy to do at home. You don't need help for somebody to help you do them, and it works. Like, look at my hair, it works. See, look at my hair, it works. It work well. Like, this is not scam. It work. So long as you are consistent, you are patient, you will see the fruit of your labor. Let me say it like that, you see the fruit of your labor. Oil I'll be showing you today is this. I don't know if my camera is capturing this. Yeah, so I'm using this applicator because it's easy to use for me. It's something I use once in 2 days, so I need where I can easily, just put it in my hair. I'm going to show you all how I put it, but this is what the final look, what it looks like after. Yeah, I let this one sit for 1 week and I did a double boiling method. Yeah, I let it sit for 1 week and did a double boiling method. So this is the oil. Can we see it? So this is it. Yeah, you'll be wondering what's inside. This is I don't know if you can see it. This rosemary and clove, olive oil and coconut oil, that's all. Rosemary and clove, olive oil and coconut oil, that's all. So I let it sit for a week, then did a double boiling method, then I sieved it to be like this. I'm trying to minimize the way I use it because, see, if we look at, okay, I think I should take off my, if we look at my hair, see, my hair is becoming too close to my, I don't have, ignore this, my hair is coming too close here. So this is what I basically do. I got an empty of this. I got this bottle from a cosmetic shop. Yeah, I got it from a cosmetic shop because of this applicator. You can see it. So what I do is this is a crochet that I did myself. So I just pat my hair, pat it with my hand. Get enough, you can see, and apply. Then I use my hand to take it in to the next one, then I apply it on my scalp. See, like, this is what I do. You can do this in 2-3 minutes and you are done, ready to go to work. So yeah, while you are maybe doing your makeup and waiting for your what's it called, your makeup to set and all, you can just be rubbing this in your hair and yeah, you can go to work with it. The smell, there is no, I don't know, does it smell? It doesn't smell for me. I think the only smell I can perceive mostly is the olive oil. Yeah, it's the olive oil. Aside that, there's nothing more. So most people are asking me, how did you grow your front hair? How did you make your hair longer and all that? This is what I do. There's no big secret behind it. The back, I just, I'm always using my hand to massage it. So when I'm done, I massage it for few seconds because I need it to sit. But when I make it hot, like when I put it in a double boiler before I apply it on my hair, I don't really massage it. I just, you know, put it in and off I go. I'm ready to go. So this is it. Clove and rosemary leaf. That is all. Olive oil and coconut. Please comment below if you are going to try this recipe at home, and if you've tried it, was it effective? Did it work for you? How long did you use it for before you started seeing good? Don't forget this oil that I've shown you how I use it. Do not forget, you have to be consistent and patient. It's not oil you use today and you'll be checking your hair whether the hair don't grow. No. You have to give it at least a month or two for you to start seeing reasonable amounts of growth. It's no scam. Please, no, this is no scam zone. It's something I am using. I have been using for almost a year, and this is the result. I'm also going to put pictures of my hair before and after I started using this hot oil treatment. Mind you, this oil is not the only oil I use. It's not the only thing I use on my hair. I have three different oils I use 3 different times in my hair. This one is the one I use almost daily. So that's why I feel I should put it out there. I've put a video of the one I use Saturdays and wash days, and I have another one. I can't stand the smell, but I just have to use it because I've made it already. Yeah, so I still use it. So I don't like wasting stuff, so that's just it. And like I said, mind you, this is not the only stuff I use on my hair. I have shampoo that I'm constantly using and a conditioner that I use constantly. I really don't like changing products because I feel my hair is like my skin. I don't like playing with my skin like that. So yeah, I don't like playing. Honestly, I don't like playing with my skin, and I don't like playing with my hair. I feel it's not that necessary, except I see even if I see a product that people are crazy about, I don't go over it because my hair, just like my skin, is very selective. Yeah, so I might use something everybody is using and the hair will just start falling out. So I'm really careful about what I use on my hair. So if your scalp is very sensitive, try this oil, you will like it. If you have dandruff, you will like this oil. Like, yeah. And so long as you're not applying too much with the heat, I'm even sweating with the heat, you won't feel it. Just apply moderate amount and massage it, then go your way and you are good to go. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so when I post new videos you get to see it. Thank you all. You are all amazing. God bless you. See you next time. Bye.